Hi, my name is Joseph. I'm from 2-Level Concrete. The homeowner called us because there's been settling that's happening in this house. As you can see, the floor has been sinking. There's a lot of reasons why the floor might be sinking. One, there could be water issues. Two, the contractors didn't do a good enough job for compacting the soil. And three, it's just the soil that's the house has been built on. The process that 2-Level Concrete uses is called pulling level. First, using the 5-inch drill bit, we drill a hole to the ground. We then put our ports here. The poly then gets injected to the ports underneath the slab and raise the slab up. And once that's completed, we then take out our ports and then patch the holes like we weren't even here.